Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Naveed and Sahito once again before you. With the grammar portion, we today study error detections. Yesterday we also studied about error detections in grammar. So the same topic is going on. Here is number one sentence. We have to detect errors, means we have to find out errors in a sentence. You are the man who are respected everywhere. Now, here are few technical things we have to remember for detection of errors or for correction of sentences, find out errors. Number one technical point is you will have to bring tenses in your mind. Number one. Number two, to be verbs or helping verbs you must bring in your mind. To be verbs or helping verbs. Number three, agreement, subject verb, subject plus verb. Number four, prepositions, usage of preposition and other structures. So to find out errors, these are very important things to be guided for us. Tense, sentence structure, means tense, either it is correct or incorrect. To be verbs or helping verbs, either are correct or incorrect. Agreement of subject between verb, subject and verb, that point, and usage of prepositions, and so on. But these 4 points must be remembered. So here you are the main sentence is correct, who are respected everywhere. It means here we have to focus on verb, to be verb or helping verb. Main and relative pronoun who is instead of main, means this is antecedent of main but not the antecedent of you, because the sentence here completes you are the main. That is why you are the main, sentence is complete. Now who is used instead of main, that is why according to who we have to place help to be verb or helping verb. So here the right answer will be is. You are the man who is respected everywhere. Why we use is instead of main? Understand? Number two, death is preferable than dishonor. Here the usage of preposition, means number four. Preferable word. All of you must remember the verbs. Suppose here is prefer. Prefer and its adjective is preferable. Superior, senior, junior, exterior, interior, and so on. The adjectives in their end will be IOR. In the prefer word and preferable, we have to use the right preposition, correct preposition to instead of then. Here is the error. Here we detect error. Death is preferable to dishonor is the correct sentence. Number three, it is them who are to blame. Them instead of them, here is relative pronoun, and are, which is the mistake we find in here helping verb. Here is not mistake in helping verb, that is correct. To blame is correct. Here is the mistake in the usage of pronouns, means according to parts of speech. So all of you must remember, whenever a sentence starts with it is, we have to use a subjective case with all. So the right will be it is they. It is they who are to blame. It is I, it is you, it is we, it is she, it is he. Here is neither he neither her brothers nor she are going to Karachi. Means here the topic related to agreement of verb, subject and verb. Agreement, subject and between subject and verb. Because here the usage of neither nor, correlative conjunctions. We studied in our previous lectures that whenever two subjects are connected with neither nor, we have to put a helping verb according to rear subject, means behind subject, means the subject which is nearer to verb. The nearer subject is this subject is nearer to verb. So here is a mistake. Neither her brothers nor she is going to Karachi will be, but not are going to. The right answer will be neither her brothers nor she is going to Karachi. Here we detect error. Number 5. Let you and she play a game. Usage of let related to pronouns. All of you must remember that whenever let is used in indirect imperative sentences, this is indirect imperative sentence, where from the sentence starts from let. A kind of sentence which starts from let is known as indirect imperative sentence. Whenever let is used in a sentence which is known as indirect imperative sentence, then after let we have to use objective case of subjects, but not subjective case. Objective case baba istemal karni pandi. So here is the let you know the subjective case and objective case of let is similar. That is why this is the objective case but not subjective case. And here is a mistake. Here will be objective case. Her play a game. Let you and her play a game. That is the correct answer. Number 6. I have ordered for dinner. Here is mistake in preposition as I mentioned. Preposition, the word order does not carry preposition in this condition when you order for food or for something. Here is I have ordered dinner. But here is the point. The word ordered is used as a verb. As a verb means third form. I have perfect tense ordered third form. But must remember one thing. Whenever the word order is used as a noun, then we can use preposition. Then we can use preposition for with the word order. But here is order verb. Here is example how the magistrate has issued order for her dischargement from the jail or prison. Here is order noun. That is why we must use for. That is correct sentence. But whenever order is used as a verb, there is no need of preposition. Understand? Okay. We move forward. Number 7. She is not tired with her life. The sentence seems correct, but it is not correct. Here is a mistake in preposition once again. Number 4. Tired adjective. With tired, we use usually adjective of, preposition of, but not with. She is tired of her life. Tired of, but not with. So as we use fond of, sick of, fond is also adjective, sick is also adjective, sick of, tired of, fond of. Similarly, we have to remember of preposition. Here's number 8. This cloth is superior than that. Adjective superior, as I mentioned earlier, superior, senior, preferable, prefer, junior, exterior. We have to use preposition to. not then. So here will be 2. So this class is superior to. Another mistake is also here. Here will be that 1. Because 1 we are talking about this class, so another class will be. So in place of that class we have to use pronoun 1. So this class is superior to that 1. So 2 mistakes were in a sentence. 1 was missing and preposition instead of then we have to use 2. Number 9. Please speak to the concerned doctor. Here the word concerned. When the word concerned comes before noun, it means different. When the word concerned comes after noun, there will be its meaning different. Here concerned means worried. Worried. Please speak to the concerned doctor. जो मतलब है मेहरबानी करे परेशान डॉक्टर सां राब्तो ॻाल्हायो. ऐं डॉक्टर परेशान हूंदो ई न आहे. महिरबानी करे परेशान डॉक्टर सां ॻाल्हायो. महिरबानी करे परेशान डॉक्टर सां रुजू कयो. इहो ग़लति आहे. इन जो राइट आंसर विल बी प्लीज स्पीक टू द डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर will come before to the doctor concerned. Here is concerned meaning वाबिस्ता. तव्हांजी बीमारी सां जेको डॉक्टर मैच थो करे, जेको स्पेशलिस्ट आहे तव्हांजी बीमारी जो, उन सां तव्हांखे सपोज ENT आहे, ENT स्पेशलिस्ट आहे, त प्लीज़ स्पीक टू द डॉक्टर कंसर्न ENT. इहो थींदो. पर पहिरियों जेकॾहिं कंसर्न अची वेंदो परेशान थी वेंदी. माना हिते छा आहे कनेक्टेड, माना वाबिस्ता ॻंढियल. जंहिं बीमारी जो डॉक्टर हुजे उन सां तव्हां राब्तो कयो, उन सां ॻाल्हाए. नंबर 10. द शिप ड्रोन्ड इनटू द सी. Here is the mistake in verb. The ship is a non-living thing. So with a non-living thing we use sank, but not a drone. We use a drone with living things. Suppose I just write as you find the sentence in first year, the Birkenhead drill. 436 people drowned into the sea. People drowned into the sea. Ship sank. Meaning is the same. So sink, sunk, and drowned is used for living things. Sink is used for non-living things. That's over. My lecture here is over. So see you again, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.